Ground fault circuit interrupter protection for power outlets. The National Electrical Code requires ground fault circuit interrupter protection for 120 volts, 15 amps and 20 amps receptacles located within 6 feet of sinks and other water sources in commercial kitchens. However, there is an exception for 208 volts and 480 volts twist lock receptacles. National Electrical Code Article 210.8. A1 states receptacles installed at a wet location shall have an enclosure providing ground fault circuit interrupter protection for personnel using portable appliances. However, the definition of wet location in National Electrical Code Article 100 excludes areas where only moderate amounts of moisture are present, such as commercial kitchens. Additionally, National Electrical Code Article 250.146 D3 states receptacle outlets installed outdoors shall have an enclosure that is weatherproof and suitable for outdoor use. This requirement implies that separate ground fault circuit interrupter protection is not necessary for outdoor twist lock receptacles, as they are already enclosed and weatherproof. Based on the National Electrical Code, ground fault circuit interrupter protection is not required for 208 volts and 480 volts twist lock receptacles in commercial kitchens, even if they are located within 6 feet of water sources. However, it's important to note that local building codes or specific requirements from the utility company may vary from the National Electrical Code. It's always best to consult with the local building inspector and utility company for specific guidance. National Electrical Code Article 406.3 D1 requires ground fault circuit interrupter protection for convenience outlets that are installed in wet locations. Commercial kitchens are not considered wet locations, so ground fault circuit interrupter protection is not required for convenience outlets.